It's pretty, you guys. Hey guys, it's Tiffany. Welcome to my world. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how I turned this Amazon wig into a honestly guys, I had to do so little work. About to take some pictures like this. I just decided to try an Amazon human hair wig because my birthday's next week. It's summer. I wanted something short, and this is 10 inches, guys. Like, could you imagine it being like the 8-inch one I really wanted? That would have been up on my head like that. Yeah, guys, if you want to see more details about how I achieved this look and my hair, just stay tuned. So this is the package the hair came in. It was packaged in a box too because I had some other stuff with it. So let's just see how it looks. So it comes like this in a little pouch. And I was gonna say there's hair sticking out. There's a straight piece of hair in here. I'm hoping that's not someone's real hair. Now I feel like I gotta sanitize. Guys, I'm coming baddie today, sorry. The hair comes like this. This the hair. And then, they send you a pair of dented synthetic lashes. Don't sleep on them though, cause girl, these definitely is synthetic lashes. Like, A+ forever, cause it's a gift for free. We like it. Then they sent us a weaving cap, a mesh weaving cap. Looks like, I guess let's just look at the hair. And this is the 10-inch length, and this bag wasn't fully zipped, just so you guys know. It comes with something that says hair, thank you. It don't let you pick a color of the hair, but this hair got some different colors in it, guys. I just took the little mesh cap off. It looks so pretty. It looks really synthetic, but we're gonna fix it. Is it human hair? I don't freaking know, guys. But hold on, let me pull it up here. So this is called Amy's Short Bob Wigs 4x4 Lace Closure Wigs, Brazilian Curly Wave, Lace Front Wigs, Human Hair Curly Bob Wigs for Black women. Because what? What if a white girl wanted to wear this? Okay. 150% density, pre-plucked with baby hair. 8-inch bob 4x4 lace closure is in parentheses, but I actually got the 10-inch because you could pick from an 8, a 10, a 12, and a 14, and they're all out of 10, so I'm glad I got it. But the cheapest one is the 8-inch, which is $48.99. The most expensive is the 14-inch, which is $63.99. And I have Prime, so it came within 3 days. And I'm going to put the picture of how it looks here. And this is the hair right here. And I'm just going to take that out. The lace is a little bent. And guys, I also have a wig grip on. I've never tried one of those, so it's going to be my first time trying one of these. And I'm going to do a middle part. Let's just try it on. There's lace in the back. And it's super short and super cute. Oh my gosh. Because yes. Because yes. Because yes. Guys, this is just it fresh out the pack. Hold on. Let me try to fix this lace so I don't be looking a mess while I'm trying to show y'all how good it is so far. The hair is so soft. It's so short too. Like, this is my type of thing. I'm gonna end up tucking it under this wig grip and not. See, I got the wig grip, guys, just because my natural hair, I don't want my natural hair being pulled by combs. But like, this looks so pretty, guys. Like, y'all see this? It's so soft. Glad I got this 10-inch because I was really thinking of getting the 8-inch because I wanted it short. Because y'all know my curls in the back are longer than these curls right here. Like, this is the longest curl back here, probably. My natural hair curly stretch down here, stretches to like down here. This wig is like, yes, because my hair is shorter at the top, so I'm not mad at this at all. And there's flaps on the sides. I'm gonna just tell you guys, I love this so far. So I'm gonna cut the lace off and try to do my part and stuff, and then we'll be back. Real hair. But at this point, I don't think I even need the wig grip. Like, literally, Not the wig grip. I mean, I don't even need the freaking combs. Is it just nothing done to it? Lace part is not even terrible, guys. Like, I like this. This is the one for me. Because y'all know Tiffany don't get into lace wigs, but I don't know how I'm gonna wear this though, because like I see some people like put their hair to the side, but like, y'all, this is just so pretty. I probably could have went with the 12-inch, but I told myself I wanted a hair that wouldn't be all up on my shoulders and stuff. So I'm about to fix the parting and stuff, come back guys, and be a whole boss. So guys, I am back with some laid hair, and guys, this is my real baby hair. Just a disclaimer, one, I do love the hair. It gave off a weird smell at first though, not gonna lie. Like, I don't know what the hell that smell came from, but the hair itself is very beautiful. First off, the hair itself is beautiful. I love it, am loving it, and it like curls so pretty. I just wet it a little, but you've seen how it looks straight out the pack, and I just kept making it bigger. So I'm gonna try not to touch it so much because I kind of like the little laid look, you know. So there's that. Yeah, the hair says it came with baby hairs. It did not. These are my real Johns. Like, probably would have been lovely if they did, but it's not like terrible or anything that they didn't. It's just whatever. But if you don't have baby hairs and you want some, that's something you should know. It says it comes with baby hairs, and it did. Like, the hair is pretty, you guys. See, I don't even have highlighter on my cheekbones today, but look at that. But the hair itself is pretty. It didn't shed too much, but I didn't comb it. Like, guys, I literally put water on it, brushed my fingers through real quick, nothing crazy. So I feel like normal hair sheds, normal head tangles, it's normal, it's life. So just watch how you take care of your hair. So this is the finished look. I'm gonna take some pictures, insert them, and then show you guys that. And that's the end of this video. So just enjoy the pics. Bye.
Still on my